static IP is most of the times important if you're on Homelab. Of course, on cloud, when you are provisioning any virtual machine or when you are provisioning any server there, it is obvious that you will be getting the static IP. But when you are using Homelab, when you are self-hosting things, you need to, of course, change the IP address by yourself. So the first thing that you need to do is that you need to check the IP address, which will be IP space A. The first interface that I see is the loopback address, and second interface that I see is ENS18. So you can see here ENS18 is the interface for which I need to change the IP address. Right now it is getting, of course, the dynamic IP from the DHCP server, dynamic ENS18. So how I can change it now? I need to, of course, open the configuration file, which is cd space etc and netplan. Inside netplan, there is a file which is called 50-cloud.init.yaml. So we need to edit this file and to make sure that we change it to static IP. So we'll be using nano, and in fact with the sudo. So enter the password. You can see here, it shows you here that ENS18 is having the DHCP right now. So I can simply copy this entire configuration that I have made, and I can simply come back here and paste it. So this is the configuration. I can simply get rid of this and paste the new configuration. I have made the configuration ENS18, and I have mentioned here this is the network configuration version 2. Instead of IP address, it is 10.11.12.120. So I will be using 10.11.12. something else. So let me see, ping 10.11.12.40. So I will be using this as 40, and here you go, 40. So routes is to default. So default route is this, which means that this is my default gateway, this is my network address, and this is my IP address, and here are the name servers. So I can simply exit this. You can apply the net plan now. So sudo net plan apply. So it applies the net plan now, and now of course the moment net plan is applied, so I got disconnected, so connection was reset. So I will be now accessing it using IP address 40, and yes, here you go. So now I'm able to access this using the new IP address. And if I show you the configuration that we had, net plan, this was the folder and here is the file. So I will get to this file. I will just see the content of the file, enter here with the sudo command, of course. And here you can see this is the configuration. So this way you can use the configuration. If I do IPA, now you can see the IP address is here. So this is how you can configure the IP address. And in case you want to change the host name, so you can sudo nano /etc/host name. So this is the host name of this. And if you want to change the hosts also, so you can do the hosts from here as well. So this is something that I wanted to make sure you understand this. So once you have configured your server, you can then start installing the applications. So let's continue to next video now.